In the UK, several hundred people die each year as a direct consequence of mistakes made in the administration of medicines. Thousands more suffer adverse effects. Closed-loop medicine management ensures that the right medicine is administered to the right patient at the right time in the right dose via the right route. These 5 rights eliminate avoidable errors in the supply and administration of medicines, leading to better outcomes for patients, reduced risk of harm and mortality, higher quality informatics, and lower costs. Adoption of closed-loop medicine management is driven in part by healthcare institutions seeking to achieve the highest capability maturity levels defined by HIMSS MRAM. At MRAM level 6, institutions fully implement closed-loop medicine administration using barcoded medications. Health workers verify the 5 rights at the bedside by scanning these barcodes together with the patient ID. The delivery of the 5 rights requires interoperability across e-prescription, pharmaceutical supply and administration systems, all based on common access to electronic patient records. However, the wide scope of activities that contribute to successful delivery of the 5 rights is not always appreciated. Medicines are manufactured products sold through a complex global pharmaceutical supply chain. These products are administered by health workers in hospitals and other healthcare institutions. To ensure that the right medicine is available at the right time to the right patient, several loops must be closed, both for supply as well as administration of the medicine. These loops must be coordinated. For example, each medicine has an identity defined by the manufacturer, which is often not known at the point of care, breaking the loop between supply and administration. Closed-loop medicine management requires coordination and transparency across different systems and processes. These must somehow agree with each other based on a common understanding of shared data. In reality, this is hard to achieve. The available data is incomplete or incompatible. Different perspectives cannot be reconciled easily. The rules for translating between different systems and processes are hard to define. Worse still, the data is constantly changing. Maintaining a closed-loop approach over time requires intensive attention to detail. These barriers have consequences. Closed-loop medicine management is a human-centric process. If care workers can't identify medicinal products reliably at the point of care, they rapidly lose confidence in the technology and abandon the closed-loop approach. The benefits of closed-loop medicine management are therefore not realized, leaving patients exposed to administration mistakes. No single system or application can implement a comprehensive approach to closed-loop medicine management. Technology needs to support the human interactions that characterize each specific healthcare setting. It needs to join up the many activities and systems involved in prescription, supply, and administration of medicines. At Solidsoft Reply, we practice design thinking to co-produce joined-up solutions. We don't have pre-defined answers. Instead, we take time to empathize with the needs of frontline staff. We work with them to define the challenges they face and generate fresh and innovative ideas. We prototype the best ideas to identify the optimal solutions, and we test those solutions thoroughly before co-producing their delivery into clinical and community care settings. Design thinking inspires us as technologists. We know from long experience that interoperability depends on the flexible and pragmatic use of technologies to wire together the systems and data on which people depend. Our expertise is working with clinicians and care workers to identify the best strategies, acquire, map and enrich common data, exploit available platforms and services, and enable collaborative interoperability that delivers the best outcomes for patients.